Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper in this additional, yes, of Thursday, April the 21st, 2022. In this additional, we have here 9 extra puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, 2 binaries, binary puzzle number 1 and binary puzzle number 2. Those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, too much for me and time consuming. Only half of them I will solve. And those are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, the binary, and the killer Sudoku. 5 puzzles, otherwise it's too much for me and time consuming. But first, this 3 stars Sudoku will be number, I believe, 4440. 4440. So this will be 4441. Then we have a tectonic 4442. Binary 4443. And this one, quadra force. Yes. 444 force. 444 force. 4. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Not triple 4, but quadra force. Yes. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this third column. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column. For the numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Right. Then. 9. We have a pair. The 9 and the 7 in the first column, the 9 and the 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay, so what are the other 3 missing numbers then in this big square? For the numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 258, 258, 258, and look, we have a 2 and 8 there. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For number 1 is missing, the 2. And the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. Alright. 7. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5. Wait. Almost made a mistake. Yeah, almost made a mistake. I need to wait. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. 9. 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. That means now we have 8 there, so this box should be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. 2. Okay. 7. We have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see a 7 in this column. So no 7 in this box. So the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. And the 9 in this column. We have a 7 and a 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. But we have also a 7 and a 9 in the second row. So no 7 and a 9 in that box. The 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Okay. That means we have here 3 missing numbers. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this, no, 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5 and a 6 is missing, 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. No. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 6. 7 and a 3. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 7 goes in there, and I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes here. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Okay. Alright. Then. I'm thinking. two missing numbers. In this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 8, 8, 2, 9, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. The difficult part now. 3, 3, 3, 3. What the 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Then 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2, 1. I'm thinking 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 and 6. Yeah. 8, 8. 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Now, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 6, 3. I'm thinking 2 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. And look, we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then 6, 6. 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, and I'm scanning 6, 3, and 5. 5, 5. 6 and 3. Oh, okay. 2, 2, 2 and 9. I'm thinking too. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes, and there are 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5, the 6 is missing. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 1 box left in this column, the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And look, I've already marked those 2 boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 1 box left in the 3rd row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for numbers, so for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 or 9 weeks. We have here the 738, 738, 279, 279, and 463, 463. We have the 7 as a pair and the 3 as a pair. 2, 4, 6, 9, 8. Yes, 2 pairs. All right, great. Sudoku. I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.